Yo, what is up guys, Tiimedesign here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys the best money methods you guys can do for this week to make hundreds of thousands of dollars or even millions of dollars in GTA 5 Online. And the best thing about these money methods, they require almost nothing, so anybody can do this even if you're a beginner or an experienced player. Now before we do start, can you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I do post daily GTA 5 content as well as weekly money methods, so if you guys do want lots of money, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below since I do post weekly money methods to make you the most money in GTA 5 Online. And before we do start, a word from our sponsor. If you're looking for a GTA 5 modded account or even account boosting for GTA 5 Online, make sure you guys go ahead and check out Messy Modding down below for cheap and reliable GTA cash services. They sell modded accounts, cash services, ranking boosts, and even modded cars and modded outfits. So if you are looking for any types of these services right here, make sure to go ahead and check out Messy Modding down below. And let's get into the video. Now the first money method I'll be showing you guys on how to do is going to be the time trial for this week. Now the time trial for this week is going to be able to give you 100,000 in 58 seconds. So it's going to be located right here, and also the finish line is going to be right here. So make sure you guys set a waypoint to this location. Now also, I recommend for you guys to go ahead and use a motorcycle for this one. If you don't own one, you guys can just go ahead and get a Batty 801 from the streets. They're really common to pick up from the streets and everything. But if you can't find one, just go ahead and buy it. It's probably not like around like 10k, I think. I'm 100% sure. I think it's around there for that bike. But all I need is a motorcycle for this one. That's pretty much it. And all you want to do is go ahead and beat the race in under like 58 seconds, and you're going to be able to get 100,000. So it's honestly really easy money. Even if you're like a high level player, you guys can still do this, get an easy 100k in just like under a minute. So it's super easy to do. This one, it did take me about like 7 tries. And also make sure to watch out for like intersections and like cars like that to swerve randomly. And also up here, that's this place right here, make sure to watch out for like cars like this. I almost hit that truck right there. So just be careful in intersections right here and cars that randomly swerve. Right, so this intersection right here that's coming up, make sure to watch out. I messed up 3 times here because some car just like that like came out of nowhere and I hit it and then ended up losing it. Right, so I was able to beat this right here just on time, like literally like 50 seconds. I was right on the dot on beating it. And as you guys just saw, 100,000 right there and beating it in like under a minute. So it's super easy money. If you're a beginner level, I recommend for you guys to go ahead and do this since it's a 100k in a minute. So yeah, on to the next one. Now the next money method I'll be showing you guys is going to be double money and double RP in the advisory mode job. So all you want to do is come over to your pods menu, online, play job, racks are created, come over to advisory mode right here, and just keep on scrolling until you do find in and out. Now this job is really good for like leveling up. If you do want to level up and not just make money, I recommend to go ahead and do it since you guys can level up. I ended up leveling up 1 level just from this one job right here, and I was like not even close to like leveling up to the next one, and this job is able to level me up. So I recommend for you guys to go ahead and do this as an RP method as well, not just a money method, an RP method as well. Now also, if you do want to make the most money, this job that I picked right here, it only goes up to 4 rounds, but there's different other jobs like for the in and outs that go up to 7 rounds. So I recommend to go ahead and start the one that goes up to 7 since you're going to be able to make more money. So yeah. And also, if you do have a couple of your friends, you guys can go ahead and start any one of these, and all you want to do is go ahead and win. So if you're going to be doing the 4 round, like first to win 4 rounds, all you want to do is go ahead and win up to 3 rounds, and then let your other friends go ahead and win up to 3 rounds again. So basically, if you do that, every time you win, you get 16,000, right? So if you win 16,000 3 times, and then you let your other friends win 16,000 again, you're going to be able to make more money. And then for the final one, first to win like 4th round, all you want to do is go ahead and just play it out, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And they're gonna be able to get more money. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to let them get all the bags, but sadly they were not able to get all of them in time. So I ended up winning the game right here. So I ended up winning all 4 rounds. But yeah, that got me 88,000. So if I did not win this one, we would have went on for more rounds and we would have got even more. And as you just saw, I did level up a whole entire new level. So if you guys do want RP, I recommend for you guys to go ahead and do this, and also a money method. And also, yeah, also if you do the 7 rounds, you're gonna be able to get like at least 200,000, I believe it was, or 100k. So around there, more than 100k basically. So yeah, if you guys do need RP and money, I recommend to go ahead and do this job. It's really fun to grind with your friends, so I recommend to go ahead and do it. So yeah. Now the next money method I'll be showcasing for you guys is going to be the Gamertag heist. Now if you don't know, this one is really the best heist ever that Rockstar Games have released. Better than Diamond Casino, Act 2, Pacific Extent. Like this one, I recommend for you guys to go ahead and start this one ASAP. It's super easy to do. It takes like at least 30 minutes to complete all the preps and the setups. And at least this was our first time doing the heist, so it did take us a bit more longer. But if we would run this a second time, we would probably finish like 10 minutes or probably like less than 20 minutes or 15 minutes. This heist is super easy to do. Anybody can do this if you're doing a stealthy mode. And yeah, but we were kind of slow when we were doing it for the first time. Instead of going straight to the compound and getting the big loot first and the gold, we ended up going for the secondaries and ended up getting the weed, coke, and the cash. And that only brought us up to like 400,000. But if we would have went straight for the gold and the like compound and everything and got like the main objective, we would have made even more cash than this. But sadly, it was our first time and we did not know, so we went straight for the cash and the weed and the coke, so we didn't end up making a lot more cash. But if we did go straight to the compound, we would have made more money than this, like more than a million. But yeah, you're able to go up to like 5 million, I believe, but I think you need like 4 players for that, since you're able to carry more cash and loot and all that. So yeah, if you haven't done the Gamertag heist already, I recommend to go ahead and do this. It's super easy to do. If you're a beginner, I recommend to go ahead and just somehow get it. If you're on Xbox, like look for people that have the Gamertag or like the submarine and all that. So as you guys can see, we could have got 5 mil, but it was our first time doing it, so we did not know as much about the heist and everything. So we were only able to get 500,000. Well, that's my cut. We got like in total 5 mil, like 1.4 mil. But yeah, if it was our first time, so we didn't know much. But yeah. So if you guys are new to the game or like wherever, I recommend for you guys to go ahead and do the Gamertag. You also get a whole bunch of XP. As you saw, I leveled up a whole entire new level. So I was able to get 589,000, and the other guys were able to get about like 41,000. So it's super easy to cash, and keep in mind this was our first time doing this, so we of course are not gonna get the most money. But if I ran this up for a second time, I'll probably make even more money and finish it even more faster. So if you haven't done the Gamertag, I recommend to go ahead and do it. It's super easy to do, and you're also able to run this up solo. So if you don't want to do this and like split the cash, I recommend to go ahead and run it up solo, since you're able to get all 100% of the cup. So yeah, Gamertag is super easy to do. Anybody can run it up, even if you're a beginner and have somebody that already has a submarine unlocked, and they can run it up for you. But yeah, I recommend to go ahead and run up Gamertag as soon as possible. It's the best and easiest money method for you to do right now. So yeah, on to the next money method. Now the last money method I'll be showing you in today's video is going to be the RC Bandito, and it's located right here next to the oil rig area. So this is where the location is, like next to the wind farms and everything. But yeah, you just want to head over here. Now the RC Bandito also pays the same exact as the regular time trial, which is 100,000, but this one you have to complete it in 1 minute and 48 seconds. Now I had to speed this thing up because it was pretty long and I didn't want the video to be like over 10 minutes and all that. But yeah, also I did not finish this one. At the time of recording this video, I still have not finished it. This thing's pretty hard for me in my opinion, but if you want to go and try it, you guys can go and try it. You're gonna be able to get 100,000 in 1 minute 48 seconds, but I was not able to finish it, so I'll just go ahead and show you another clip of me finishing a different RC Bandito time trial. So this is it right here. I think this was like one from like 2 weeks ago, I think. But yeah, as you saw, I got 100,000 right there, but this one is not the same time trial as the one I did for this week. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you do want more tips of these money methods right here, make sure to go ahead and hit that like button down below. I'll be posting weekly money methods, and I do post daily GTA 5 content. So if you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing. It's free, and you guys can always change your mind. And yeah, TiimeDesign signing out. Peace.